my channel, Beauty in the Boondocks, and today I'm doing a Christmas beauty room tour. I just wanted to show you how I've upgraded my room a little bit here. So we'll get started. Here we go. This is where I keep my earrings that I use quite a bit. They're easy to find that way. And here I made this. I got all the products from the Dollar Tree, all the foam and even the planner, and then I got the flowers there too. I pulled them off their stems and I just simply stuck them in there. And then I have another one I did the same thing with, except I got that box from the dollar store. I think it was like $5 or $6. And then there's my jewelry armoire. That's how I keep organized. I keep extra products in here. And then that holds about 60 fingernail polishes. I got that from eBay for like $35 or $40. And then here is my shelf. And I got this for $30 on eBay. And then my mirror. And it's got LED lights on it. I got that from Amazon for like $30 for 2 sets. And then all my makeup and my tree. I got that for $10 at the Family Dollar when they were having a sale. And then this is new too. I got this at Michael's for $30, and it holds a lot of different things. Like I got it mainly for like my palette and my loose eyeshadows. I'm going to be doing a video on this here soon. And let me show you. I've got the Snowball collection from last year. I'll show that to you sometime too. I got this here. I thought this was a nice thing to have. Kind of a little decoration. I got that for like probably $10 on wish.com. And then I got 2 of these rugs and I lay them here to kind of give that fluffy, pillowy look. I just laid them all over the chairs. I got those for like $5 a piece at Five Below. And then I got that mirror here. It's a really nice mirror. I got it for like $5 at Family Dollar. Got that at Goodwill, probably for a couple of dollars. And then I have a lot of shoes. And this is my walk-in closet. I got the shelf off the side of the road and we repainted. It's in perfect condition. It's real wood and it holds a lot of shoes. And then I have a lot of miscellaneous items, perfumes, different things like that in here. I got these at the Dollar Tree. They were so cute. This is where I keep a lot of my purses and in my room. I downsized quite a bit on that stuff. It's another shoe holder that I got. Keep extra hangers there and just storage here and makes it easier. And that's my ring light that I got. I got that off of Amazon for $100. And then that's that other shelf. I paid $30 from Amazon.com. That picture came from probably Goodwill. I got that shelf off the side of the road. It's in good shape. I use it for my mask and some of my makeup palettes that won't fit in my new palette drawers. Of course, I have extra stuff there from Sephora. I got these pineapple things here. I got those from the Dollar Tree. They had silver too. Those were really pretty. And then I do put presents under my tree in here. And the ornaments were probably $2 or $3 for. And then I got a couple of packs of them from Family Dollar as well. And then got these from Family Dollar. They were all under $6 a piece. And then this is my shelf here. I got my pink Christmas tree and ornaments. And then my whole Tony Moly stuff. I got all the hand creams and lip balms That's the generic version of it. And then my tribute to Jeffree Star, I have his highlighters. I keep my sunglasses in there. And then all my Bath and Body Works and Victoria's Secret lotions and sprays. And then I have a facial spa thing. And that's a towel warmer. And I wanted to show you this. This is so pretty. That's a makeup mirror. It's really pretty. I got that at TJ Maxx recently for like $7 or $8. They had more of them. And then just extra storage down there. It's where I used to sell Mary Kay. I still use some of their products. So that concludes my makeup tour. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And if you have any suggestions on any of the content or any videos from any of the products you saw today, just put it in the comment section. And have a happy Christmas, happy Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate. So, bye.